If your Weverse verification code is missing, here are some fixes you can try. First, check your spam, promotions, and updates folders if you are using email. And wait at least 3 to 5 minutes before requesting another code. Don't tap resend repeatedly because Weverse may temporarily block delivery. Make sure your email address or phone number is correct. Then close the app completely and reopen it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If the code still does not arrive, update or reinstall the Weverse app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Weverse. After app appears, if you find the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, check if your device is connected to any VPN. For that, launch Settings, go to General. Now, head over to the option VPN and Device Management. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it. And that's it. With this solution, you'll be good to go. You should receive Weverse verification code. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.